The White House, a symbol of power, pride, and history.
But behind these walls lies a dark past few ever talk about.
This iconic building was not always strong. Built as the heart of a young nation. Built as the heart of a young nation. A symbol of hope and vulnerability.
Then came war.
In 1814, enemy forces reached the capital.
The White House was burned to the ground.
History turned to ashes in a single night.
The building stood abandoned and broken. But the nation refused to give up.
It was rebuilt from the ruins.
Stronger, but tested again.
Years passed, and cracks began to show.
By the early 1900s, the structure was failing.
Parts of the White House were nearly unusable. Experts warned. Collapse was possible.
The building was abandoned once again.
And rebuilt from the inside out.
Hidden strength replaced hidden weakness.
The symbol was restored. But danger never truly disappeared.
New threats replaced old ones. The White House evolved to survive.
The building endured. Scars of the past remain.
Burned, abandoned, rebuilt.
Again and again.
The White House stands because history refused to fall.